myself clear. Yeah. Then clap your hands like there was a million mosquitoes in here. Jump like you was some crazy ass frontier. Party people, show me how you feeling back there. Do you wanna party boogie? Then get out your chair. The big behind baby came to shake a rare. Call me whatever you want, but don't call me Seth. Black Musketeer, I swear, I do declare this year definitely my year. So cheer, got that sword the boy really wanna hear. But beware, no fear. I see the jealousy everywhere. I work for myself, so you can't tell me nothing. Now who's laughing? I told you the plan, kid. You thought I was bluffing. Never say die till the bones are right. I dropped one album, now everybody rapping it. Opposition digging it, got your mother screaming it. I got the youth backing it. Got the feeling when I'm talking. Don't care if you drive a truck, C-class or you walking. Respect yourself, cause I'm watching. Cause my style is shocking. Got the clock ticking. Yo, tell me, I be the #1 secret weapon. In Africa, I'm open for discussions. Now tell me. Clear, yeah, but I got the facts to back the superstition. Beast the mystical fiend and whatever the mission. Forget the World Cup, check out your conditions. Economical competition before the dribbling. The biggest crime in Africa, skin bleaching. Jerry curls, baby, now that's a sinning. Jesus Christ was a bibini, what I believe in. Make I free my mind this morning, afternoon, and evening. I don't know what time it would be when you get to listen. Wear your K socks, even when you kissing. Cause it wet, anything could. Big disease with a small name is frightening. Sexual suicide, not physical attraction. Don't wanna be nobody's napkin. If you help in the making of the song, then it's you that I'm thanking. I don't care who you are. If you be a superstar, 12 rounds to rock stone, catch a blasting. Yo, baby, I'm burning. Plus I'm feeling very, very African. Where was you when we was we? Way before I started rapping the key. Backbush, Master D, guaranteed. Good times, way before Glance was Maharani. What if you talk big? You had to back it with money. Randy P, I was known as DJ Papa J, and everything was fancy. Yo, sometimes I sit back and try to reminisce. Shows like a Sulfur Dazzy, we all miss. Do I make myself clear, G? Do I make myself clear?